Parts of a recipe.
Hello, children. Today we'll see parts of a recipe.
Name, ingredients, and instructions. Parts of a recipe.
Let's make Jicaletas.
Ingredients: jicama, lemon, chili, and sticks. Instructions. Step 1. Cut the jicama. Oh no, it's a knife. Ask mommy or daddy for help. That's better. Cut jicama. Step 2. Insert the stick into the jicama.
Me?
Yes, you. Step 3. Add lemon. Step 4. Add chile.
Yummy! Let's eat Jicaletas.
One more time. Parts of a recipe. Name, ingredients, and instructions. Parts of a recipe.
See you later.